Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to join the BattleBricks Discord. The most reliable and only way to find the official Discord server is by visiting the game's official page on the Roblox platform. Once there, carefully read through the game's description. The developers consistently provide the most current and verified invite link directly within this section, ensuring you join the correct community. After you have found and clicked the official Discord invite link, you will be prompted to join the server. Discord may require you to complete a quick verification step, such as a CAPTCHA, to prove you are not a bot. Once inside, it is crucial to read and accept the server's rules. This step is mandatory to unlock all the community channels and begin interacting with other players. Now that you are in, take some time to explore the server. You will find different channels for general chat, game updates, and specific topics related to BattleBricks. Pay close attention to any assigned roles or special permissions. Always remember to engage with fellow players and moderators in a respectful and constructive manner, fostering a positive environment for everyone. To truly make the most of your BattleBricks Discord experience, consider actively participating in discussions and any community events. If you have questions or need assistance, look for specific support channels where experienced members or staff can help. Your positive contributions help grow a vibrant and welcoming community for all BattleBricks enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.